Making a digital product versus affiliate marketing. To bring in cash as an advertiser, then, at that point, you truly have two primary choices. One is to make an item and to sell that. The other is to sell a subsidiary item. Neither of these is the ideal choice. The best choice will rather rely upon what specialty you're in, how you appreciate treating, you're able to do. Thus, how about we investigate the upsides and downsides of each? With an advanced item, you obviously enjoy the benefit of keeping 100% of the benefit. You additionally have the opportunity and control to showcase your item any way you like and even to alter it and modify it in the event that you so wish. This likewise makes it more straightforward for you to make a solid brand. On the off chance that somebody has appreciated one of your items, there's a decent opportunity they'll be keen on purchasing more from you in the future. However, at that point obviously that implies you'll likewise have to really make that item. This thus implies you really want to contribute a great deal of time and exertion, or cash assuming you anticipate rethinking, into the formation of that contribution. Also, this means you might conceivably wind up from cash on hand. On the off chance that you put loads of time and cash into an item that winds up not selling, you'll have lost cash. There are ways you can approve an item to guarantee there's a group of people for it. At the end of the day you will constantly be facing a challenge. Then again, assuming you pick an offshoot item that is as of now making heaps of deals, then, at that point, you'll know without a doubt that it can sell. All that is left is tracking down the right crowd. Sometimes, even the advertising materials will be ready for you. As far as a benefit, subsidiary items actually offer exceptionally high commission, up to 75% sometimes. In the event that you pick a more costly thing, or sell numerous things, you can get the same amount of cash flow as you can from having your own item. There's no right response then, at that point, yet recollect, you don't need to pick. Why not start with an associate item and utilize that to subsidize your very own computerized result? Or then again, even better, why not use offshoot items to realize what works and what doesn't, and afterward utilize that to assist with planning the ideal result of your own? What's more, obviously, you ought to likewise investigate PLR items. Put in your best email address below to receive your free affiliate marketing success ebook.
Please, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification button.